Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix SSL connect error in the battlefield. So our first method is that you have to just open a website which is named as the EA. This is basically for you have to just log into your battlefield via the account that is already linked to your game. So you have to just open this website and you will find here a step of the interface of this website. You have to just tap on the profile icon at the top right and then click on the sign in. After this, you will find here a step of the interface where you can see the different accounts like Google, Facebook, Steam, PlayStation Network, Twitch, and you have to select the one that is already linked to your game. And after putting the details of that account, you have to just click on the sign in and you will be back to your battlefield. Moving to the next method, you have to just contact to the support team of the EA. For this, you have to just write here a website name which is EA Sport. Tap to open this website. After opening this type of the interface will open for you, you have to just search here for your battlefield and select the one with which you are facing the error. After this, you have to just wait for the processing and then you have to just select the one that you are using. Like I am using PC, I just tap on the PC. After this, you have to just select for your topic of your issue, like you have to just select for the manage my account and then select the issue as cannot log in. After this, you have to just click on the select contact option and now this interface will open for you. You have to just put here your keys informations like your first name, last name and your email address and then click on the next. And here you have to just click on the chat. After doing so, you have to just put here the subject of your error, like put here I am facing the SSL connect error in the battlefield, so help me to fix this problem and then click on the request live chat. So now you have to just wait for some processing. After processing, a new pop-up will open for you where you will be able to make a chat with the support team of the EA. You have to just answer some general questions of the support team and after this they will solve your issue. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.